Hey, if you're tired of cleaning every day, this Eureka Robot Vacuum is perfect for you. It's got a high-powered 8,000 PA suction that lifts off dust, grime, and even tough pet hair without any trouble. What's awesome? It has a bagless self-emptying station that stores up to 45 days of dirt, so you won't have to deal with any hassle or extra cost for new bags. With its smart Duo Detect AI and 3D obstacle avoidance, this vacuum moves fluidly around furniture, cords, and low-light areas, so it never gets stuck. When it notices carpet, the mop lifts by 10 mm to keep those carpets clean and protected. This super awesome vacuum is the perfect upgrade for your home. Check the link in the description and snag one before their price changes.